Hey there! If you notice that the CV joint boot on your car has torn or twisted, then loose clamps are usually the culprit. Recently, I had to replace the outer left CV joint and the boot on my Audi A6 C5. It turns out that I didn't tighten it properly, and the boot slid along the hinge body, causing it to twist and eventually break. I'm not sure about the condition of the CV joint since it doesn't seem to make any strange noises when I turn corners, but I need to urgently replace the old boot and apply new grease to the hinge. Removing the CV joint is simple. Just unscrew the hub bolt and squeeze the lower levers up. Since my CV joint is new, I will only replace the lubricant, which has become scarce due to the old boot breaking. Of course, I will also put on a new boot. Take a look at the old boot. It twisted because grease got under it, and I didn't tighten the clamps enough when I installed it. I had to buy a new boot, which I will install in the same order that I removed it. So be careful when replacing CV joint boots and make sure to tighten the clamps properly. See you in the next video. Bye.